Good morning, everyone. Today, our topic of discussion is rectification of errors. Rectification means to correct any mistake in the journal. Is basically rectification. To correct any mistake or error. The rectification of error. There are five types. Major five type of errors occur in the journal, which we have to rectify. First is error of omission. Omission means to omit or to forget something. Some entry has been forget by us and we are totally unaware of that entry, and then when we accumulate, when we see our journal, ledger and trial balance, everything will be flopped and spoiled if we do not consider each and every entry and entertain it in the respective journal. So error of omission means to forget something. When we forget something, it means it is an error. So that error can only be rectified when we write that entry in the respective journal. Okay. Second is wrong amount error. For example, the Mr. Andrew has to be debited by $250, and we wrongly him by $350. So this is error, wrong amount error. Actual amount is 250 and we write 350. So $100 is basically wrongly debited to Mr. Andrew or Mr. John's account. Okay, so it is wrong amount error. Third one is error of principal. Error of principal means that when we buy something, then purchase is debited and cash will be credited. Understand? And this is the basic rule. When we buy something, that particular thing comes into our shop, into our business, then this is, and it will be debited and cash will be credited. So it is basic principle of debit and credit. When we wrongly debit cash and credit purchases, this it doesn't make sense basically that cash to purchases. We have never seen this type of entry where if we wrongly enter this sort of entry, it means we are going against the principle. Error of principle occurs. This is the principle, this is the rule, this is the way to express entry, and we wrongly or by mistake or by any chance we write it like this. So it is basically error of principle. It can only be solved by correcting this. The purchase should be debit and cash should be credit. It is the only way. Fourth is error of commission. Error of commission means that we buy something from Mr. Ali and we wrongly entertain that entry to Mr. Amir account. Understand? It means that it is error of commission. We entertain the entry in the wrong person's account. It is basically error of commission. Enter the transaction in wrong person account. It is basically error of commission. Understand? Last but not the least, error of compensating error. It is basically error from the accountant end. When the accountant has seen that he has made a mistake, he compensates it from his own. He do not consider the principle, he do not consider the laws and rules of the journal. He try to compensate that error by himself. It is basically compensating error. For example, we purchase an asset 1000 rupees and we write 5000 rupees. After some time we realize that we have passed wrong entry. So what we're gonna do is we put up entries from ourselves to correct it. We put up entries from ourselves. The accountant put up entries from himself is basically compensating error. He tried to compensate his error which he cannot, which he can never compensate because there is rules and laws in every accounting accounting steps, accounting procedures. So we cannot compensate anything from ourselves. It is basically compensating error. So that's all for now. In next lecture we will discuss the questions of rectification of errors. So keep watching my YouTube channel and subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any video and you will receive each and every notification of upcoming new videos. Thank you so much.